Today we're talking about artificial intelligence, and I'm picking your hair because you want your business to operate more competitively through the use of AI tools. But here's the thing, I'm not going to give you a list of the top 7 best AI tools to use for your business because that's not what you need. What you need is to understand the thinking behind where AI can be applied within your business and the tactics that enable you to successfully go ahead and implement those tools. So these are my 5 simple steps to make your business perform better with AI. There's a link in the description if you'd like to book a free consultation call with myself. Alright, step number 1 is you absolutely must understand your business needs. If you're going to spend time and money bringing a tool into your business, it only makes sense to bring in something that solves a real problem. So in order to do this, you need to identify your key areas for improvement. Think about the tasks that are time-consuming, repetitive, or require a large amount of data analysis. These are prime candidates for AI integrations because you can leave the machines to do the hard work for you. Now this sounds like a daunting task that's going to take ages and you don't know where to begin. A simple method that I like to use to cover all areas of a business is to map out each of the business functions like this, and then for each of those functions, identify key areas for improvement. This ensures I not only cover all areas of the business, but it breaks the task down into more manageable sized pieces and really starts to force me to think about the more granular parts of the business. Step number 2 is to set clear objectives. What specific problems do you want to solve with AI, and what are the desired outcomes? This step's important because there are an infinite number of tools out there, and you want to make sure that the tools you're bringing into your business make sense for your use cases and add genuine value to your business specifically. Building on your list of improvement items from the previous step, we now want to take each of these and convert them into a problem statement. These problem statements are what you will use when you start to search for AI tools to solve your problems. And it makes the process so much easier because you know exactly what you are trying to achieve. So as an operations example, the problem statement of reduced agent capacity to handle complex issues, a desired outcome is to increase the agent's capacity for escalated issues, and we would do that through implementing an AI solution that takes that mundane workload away from them and enables them to spend more time on the escalated issues. So in a marketing example, the problem statement of it's difficult to scale content production because it's all being manually created, the desired outcome is to reduce the reliance on manual labor for those repetitive tasks, freeing up that employee to work on other items and potentially more high value items. And in a project management example, the problem statement is that it's difficult to gather timely project updates from team members. The desired outcome would be to automate the update collection process, freeing up the project manager's time to focus on other, more high-value tasks. Step number 3 is to prioritize. More than likely, you will have a large list of items that you'd like to solve. However, it's best to initially choose 1 or 2 items, preferably the ones with the biggest impact to your business, to focus on first. If your biggest benefit is quite complex or large, it might actually be easier to start with a smaller, simpler problem to get things underway. By focusing on 1 or 2 key areas, it'll stop your team from becoming overwhelmed. Step number 4 is to choose the right tools. Now that we know what problems we want to solve, we can start looking for tools that are solutions to our problem. This is the research phase of the process where you start to get a feel for what's available and experiment with AI tools to see how they meet your needs. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make a video on AI tools and their practical business application. Unfortunately, there's no magic list of tools that work for every business. Like most things, what works for one business may not work well for another. This is why it's really important that you understand your business need before you start evaluating tools so that you get the result that you're looking for. Many tools offer a free trial or a freemium period where you can trial the tool before you buy. Don't be afraid to try several tools that solve one specific problem so you can select the best one that meets your needs. And the final step is to implement the AI tool into your business workflow. This will vary wildly depending on tool to tool and business to business. Once you have the tool integrated into your business, you'll need to provide your team with training and update process documentation so that everybody knows how to use the new software and that everybody can get the most benefit from it. Bringing AI into your business doesn't need to be daunting. By starting with clear goals and focusing on your specific business needs, you can successfully leverage AI within your business. And as a reminder, if you'd like to book a free consultation call with myself, there's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.